Welcome to Organic Odessi, and I am Dr. Oliver Oakes. Most people accept aging as a steady decline written into the skin, something to be hidden, corrected, or fought against with expensive creams and invasive procedures. But every so often, a story appears that quietly disrupts that belief. This is one of those stories. At 85 years old, Maria is often mistaken for someone decades younger. Not because she chased youth, but because she chose consistency, patience, and simplicity in a world addicted to shortcuts. She didn't discover her approach in a laboratory or a luxury clinic. It came from memory, from watching women before her care for their skin with intention rather than fear. From a time when beauty rituals were slow, personal, and deeply connected to daily life. Maria never set out to look young. She wanted her skin to feel alive again, to stop feeling dry, fragile, and unfamiliar. What followed was not an overnight transformation. It was a quiet shift, a nightly ritual, 2 ordinary ingredients, and a decision to care for herself with the same respect she once gave everyone else. What happened next surprised even her, and science may help explain why. Why castor oil works on aging skin. Castor oil has been used for centuries, long before modern skincare learned how to package hydration in elegant bottles. What makes it unique is its unusually high concentration of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and deeply moisturizing properties. As skin ages, it naturally produces less sebum, the oil that keeps it flexible and resilient. This loss is one of the main reasons mature skin begins to look thin, dull, and creased. When applied in small amounts, castor oil acts as an occlusive barrier, sealing existing moisture into the skin rather than forcing artificial plumping. Dermatological research has shown that occlusive oils reduce transepidermal water loss, one of the key drivers of visible aging. Ricinoleic acid has also been studied for its antimicrobial and soothing effects, which is important because low-grade inflammation accelerates collagen breakdown over time. Maria's method was simple: a few drops gently pressed into clean skin at night. No rubbing, no rushing. Over weeks, her skin didn't just look smoother, it felt stronger, calmer, and more alive. Baking soda as controlled exfoliation. As skin matures, one quiet change often goes unnoticed. Cell turnover slows down. Dead skin cells linger longer on the surface, dulling tone and preventing moisture from penetrating properly. This is where baking soda enters the ritual, not as a miracle cure, but as a carefully controlled tool. Chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, baking soda has a mildly abrasive texture and an alkaline nature that allows it to loosen the bonds holding dead skin cells in place. Used sparingly, it functions as a gentle physical exfoliant. The key is restraint. Human skin naturally maintains a slightly acidic pH, which protects its barrier. Overuse of alkaline substances can disrupt this balance, leading to irritation or dryness. That's why Maria never used baking soda more than once a week and always mixed it with water or honey to soften its impact. Applied lightly and briefly, it helped refresh the surface of her skin, allowing new cells to emerge and making whatever followed, especially castor oil, far more effective. The synergy that makes it work. On their own, castor oil and baking soda are simple. Together, they create something far more effective. Aging skin doesn't just need moisture, it needs preparation. When dead cells accumulate, even the best oils sit on the surface, unable to fully support the skin beneath. Gentle exfoliation clears that barrier. Deep nourishment then seals the work in place. This sequence mirrors what many high-end skincare routines aim to achieve through complex formulations. First, renewal, then repair. By lightly refreshing the skin's surface once a week, Maria allowed her skin to absorb and retain moisture more efficiently every night after. Studies on skin barrier function show that well-hydrated skin reflects light more evenly, appears smoother, and maintains elasticity longer. The process also supports collagen preservation indirectly. Reduced inflammation and improved hydration slow the breakdown of structural proteins. Nothing here forces the skin to change. It simply creates the conditions where the skin can function the way it was designed to. That is why the results appear gradual, natural, and sustainable, rather than dramatic or artificial. The daily ritual that changed everything. What truly set Maria apart was not the ingredients, but the rhythm of her care. Each morning she avoided harsh cleansers, using only lukewarm water and a soft cloth to awaken her skin. While it was still slightly damp, she pressed a few drops of castor oil into her face, allowing the moisture already present to be sealed in. This simple habit supported the skin barrier throughout the day. In the evening, her approach slowed even more. Gentle cleansing, quiet movement, and intention became part of the process. Once a week, she added the baking soda mixture for a brief moment, never scrubbing, never rushing. Research in skin biology shows that nighttime is when repair peaks, and calm routines lower stress hormones that can accelerate aging. For Maria, skincare was never about looking younger. It was about feeling cared for. Over time, that care showed on her skin and in her presence. Safety, adaptation, and realistic expectations. Maria's approach works because it respects limits. Aging skin is more delicate, and anything effective must also be gentle. Castor oil, while rich, is generally considered non-comedogenic when used in small amounts on clean skin. Still, individual skin responds differently. That is why Maria always emphasized starting slowly and paying attention. A patch test, a few drops, and patience were non-negotiable. Baking soda required even more caution. Its alkaline nature means it can disrupt the skin barrier if overused. Use no more than once a week, buffered with honey or water, and removed quickly. It refreshes rather than damages. For very sensitive skin, skipping it entirely is often wiser. Results were never instant. Maria noticed subtle changes after several weeks, not days. Softer texture came first, then steadier hydration, then a healthier glow. This wasn't about reversing time, but about supporting the skin so it could age with strength instead of fragility. Aging gracefully is the real secret. In the end, the most powerful part of Maria's story was never the castor oil or the baking soda. It was the way she related to herself. Aging, she believed, was not a failure of the body, but a record of a life fully lived. Every line carried memory, resilience, and quiet strength. When she stopped fighting those changes, her face softened, not just in appearance, but in expression. Science increasingly supports this idea. Chronic stress accelerates aging at a cellular level, while calm routines and emotional balance support healthier skin and overall vitality. Maria's ritual created space for stillness, gratitude, and self-respect. That inner shift reflected outward. The ingredients were simple because the lesson was simple. Care, applied consistently and without fear, allows the body to do what it already knows how to do. Looking younger was never the goal. Feeling whole was. And that, more than anything else, is what made her glow.